that's some serious stuff. Oh, no. Yep. But there's plenty of room. That's good for another. Volts, but I mean it's getting voltage, but it won't sustain the load. So pretty sure that's the BMS. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this joker apart and go from there. See what type of BMS we have and see what it looks like. These are flat packs. I was wondering how they got 80 amp hours in them. Yeah. Alright. So the BMS must be here. I'm assuming. I don't know. That's a plate. Don't want to destroy it, but we can tape it. We can tape it back up. We can tape it all back up, no problem. Let's see. What is it? More tape. Okay. There goes all of that. Okay. So all of this top piece is housing. Better just taking the damn tape off. We're going to take, okay. Get which one? Can we get this one up or this one up? Okay. All right. We are in finally. All right. So it looks like we are working with a. Let's see if we can get a little closer here. That is a, what is that? What does that say? The tape is kind of sandu. I say 20. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Hell won't do it then. I don't really want to pull the wires. Okay. And I don't want to stick nothing metal in here. So let's do this. Let's come on, get out of here slowly.